children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, children, today we are going to do a classwork from the book back, page number 106. So keep your pens ready. Now, identify the character or the speaker that who said. The first one, Auli's uh, gone, was said by Payal. Okay, so right there, Payal. Payal, Payal. The second one, she opened one eye and then the other. Who did that? Owlie. Okay, so right there, Owlie, Owlie. The next one, don't panic. Who said this? Payal's mother. So right there, Payal's mother. Payl apostrophe S Mother, mother. Payal's mother. Now, question number B. Choose the correct answer from the options given. So the first one, the owlet was brown and grey. You just tick mark it now and then you can write down. In Payal's family, they were all vegetarian. The cage was shifted to library. Okay. Now question number C. Read the passage and answer the questions. We have already read this passage yesterday, but still again today we will read. Okay. So just listen carefully because we have to answer the questions. Payal and her mother started talking bravely about where to bury Owlie. Just then Owlie opened one eye and then the other. She got onto her feet and quickly climbed the perch. Payal learned later that falling on her back and pretending to be dead was Owlie's way of defending herself against danger. So, now let us find out the answers for the given questions. The question given here is, why did Payal and her mother want to bury Owlie? Why did Payal and her mother want to bury Owlie? Why did they want to bury Owlie? Because, now the answer you're going to write, please do write this in your classwork. Please do write this in your classwork. Payal and her mother wanted to bury Owlie because they thought that Owlie had died. Payal and her mother wanted to bury Owlie because they thought that Owlie had died. Okay? So please copy this question answers in your classwork note. Why did Payal and her mother want to bury Owlie? Payal and her mother wanted to bury Owlie because they thought that Owlie had died. Okay, now the next one. What did Owlie do then? What is the next question? What did Owlie do then? The answer is, Owlie opened one eye and then the other. Owlie opened one eye and then the other. Once again, Owlie opened one eye and then the other. Now you all are in 6th standard and you all are grown up, isn't it, children? So you must learn to write fast. What did Payal learn from Owlie's pretense? Okay. Owlie நடிச்சால செத்த மாதிரி. So அதை வச்சு Payal என்ன படிச்சா. So Payal learned that Owlie's pretense was a way of defending itself. A way of defending itself. அதாவது தன்னையே காப்பாற்றுறதுக்கு ஒரு வழி அதுதான் அப்படின்னு அவள் நினச்சது. அதுதானே? அதை யார் புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா? Payal. Payal learned that Owlie's pretense was a way of defending herself. A way of defending herself. Now, question number D. Rearrange the following jumbled sentences in the correct order. So, Payal's house was a home for abundant animals. That is number 1. It was a small ball of brown and grey. Number 5. She found one owlet in one corner. Number 4. Payal's mother picked her up gently. Number 6. Payal's mother opened the cartoon. Number 3. One day they got a cartoon. Number 2. So children, I have given you the answers. You have just marked it down. I just read it roughly once again. 1, 5, 4, 6, 3, 2. What are they? 1, 5, 4, 6, 3, 2. Okay. So now what you are going to do is you are going to copy this in your classwork. Okay. You are going to copy this right there. Rearrange the following sentences. Rearrange the following sentences and just write the question. Make 2 columns. One column with the question, the other column with the answer. If you cannot make, there is not enough space for column, just write question, and then after finishing all the 5 points, 6 points, come below, write answers and write the others 6. Arrange and write the 6 points. Okay, do you understand? Fine. Now discuss in pairs, then write the answers. Discuss in pairs and then write in answers. What kind of a girl was Payal? So what kind of a girl was she? This also you have to write in your classwork note. There you will write answer the following questions. You will write answer the following questions. So question number 1. What kind of a girl was Payal? Payal was a kind-hearted girl. Payal was a kind-hearted girl. Hearted, hearted girl. What is the next question? What did she like? She liked abundant animals and birds. She liked abundant animals and birds. Abandoned, abundant. And what is the third question? How did she behave with animals and people? She behaved with love and care with animals and people. She behaved with love and care with animals and people. Do you understand? Come on children, copy it neatly and quickly. You people are grown up, ma. You can write it fast and quickly. Do you understand? Now the next one is second question. Do you think Avli was happy to be with Payal? Do you think Avli was happy to be with Payal? Yes, Avli was happy to be with Payal. The answer is yes, Avli was happy to be with Payal. The next question, give reasons for your answer. Give reasons for your answer. So what are the reasons for the answer? It is, it did not leave the house, it adapted the home well. Avli did not leave the house, it adapted the home well. Yes, Avli was happy to be with Payal because it did not leave the house, it adapted the home well. Okay. Avli was happy to be with Payal because, right there, because, Becaus, because, a small correction. It எழுதாம இட்டுக்கு பதிலா because எழுதணும். Becaus, because it did not live, sorry, it எழுதணும். இட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி Avli was happy to be with Payal because it did not leave the house. It adapted the home well. It adapted the home well. Payalக்கு அப்புறம் because எழுதிட்டு it did not leave the house and adapted the home well. And adapted the home well. And and it வராது. And adapted the home well வரும். Okay. Okay, children, now the next page. Coming to the next page. What are they? Okay, the picture is all plastic bags. They are all plastic bags. So avoid plastic. Can you see the answer? Avoid plastic. What are you supposed to write there? Avoid plastic. AVOID. Avoid. PLASTIC. Plastic. The next one, save the trees and plant the trees. Save the trees and plant the trees. Save the trees and plant the trees. The other one, save rain water. Save rain water. The next, steps to success. Question number H. Find the groups, name and write them in the blanks. One is done for you. So, groups has been given to us. So, eel, seal, walrus and seahorse. இதெல்லாம் ஒரு group. So, இதுக்கு என்ன சொல்வாங்க அப்படின்னு என்ன செய்யணுமா நம்ம பார்த்து எழுதணுமா. So, the answers are there for you written down. The first one is sea animals. The first one is sea animals. I hope you can see it clearly, children. Sea animals. Second one, pearl, coral, conch oil. They are sea products. கடல்லிருந்து கிடைக்கிற பொருட்கள், sea products. And then we have submarine, ship, yacht, ferry. These are sea vehicles. கடலில் நம்ம ட்ராவல் பண்ணதுக்கு பிரயாணம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுற வாகனங்கள், வண்டிகள், sea vehicles. Then kite surfing, scuba diving and parasailing. They are sea activities, sea sports or sea activities. Sea activities, கடலில் விளையாடுற காரியங்கள், கடலில் செய்கிற காரியங்கள். Albatross, penguin, pelican, fish, hawk. They are sea birds. They are sea birds. இதெல்லாம் sea birds. Okay. I hope you would have finished writing all this. So that's all for this lesson, children. One thing I would like to tell you people, that is from the book page number 106. Listen to the teacher, read the passage. What is the website? Watch the website. Then write a paragraph on students Turtle Walk Chennai. So you have to go to the website and see for the questions what is given, and you have to do the project. So that is the project for you. Kindly do the project neatly and perfectly. Okay, children, that's all for today. Then we'll meet again in the next video. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, all of you take care and be safe. Bye.